All right, time now for your Trader Blitz. First off, Toll Brothers trying for its best day in nearly 7 years, posting a big earnings beat, raising its yearly revenue forecast. Josh, what do you think?
So this is the high end of the housing market, the luxury market, and they had good things to say, and they should. Look at the stock market. But the stock's been in a downtrend since January. This potentially breaks that downtrend, but too early to say. I want to see the second and third day after this massive candle. I want to see whether or not the buyers stick around or if it's a one-hit wonder. I don't trust it yet.
All right, meantime, the tale of two retail stocks. You got TJX heading higher, Kohl's under pressure. They both posted a beat on the top and the bottom lines, though, Stephanie, you've owned both names.
I have. I sold TJ and added to Kohl's, and I added to Kohl's actually this morning. It was down 3%. It's actually up a little bit today. I get why it's down. I get why Kohl's was initially down. It's up 20% from last quarter alone. But this was the fourth straight quarter of positive comps, the third straight quarter of gross margins up. Inventory is down 7% across the board. Just really great progress. So I added to this one. I still like TJ. This is almost like an Estee story. I would buy it on a pullback, but at 21 times forward, I think a lot of good news is in there.
Okay. HP Enterprise falling today after being downgraded to a market perform at Bernstein. Your thoughts, John?
Yeah, they cut it 20% today, Brian, their target, that is. And this one ran into an announcement. So last week around this time, it was 1575, let's say. It ran into the 16s on the news about doing a deal with Baba yesterday. Gives all of that up today. Falls by about 75 cents. And these guys say it's because the server market, they're just getting their lunch eaten by the other guys. So that's not good for HPE.
Okay, Medtronic hitting a new all-time high. However, they beat earnings estimates. They raised their full-year guidance. Are you a believer, Joe?
I am a believer. I'll try and do this quickly as we get close to your 73 number in the S&P. But healthcare quarter to date is the leading sector. It's up 9.7%. We don't spend enough time on healthcare. Medtronic clearly delivered this quarter. Diabetes, insulin revenue, $572 million, far above the consensus, which was $526 million. I like medical devices. My way to play it is PKI, which is Perkin-Elmer.
Somebody needs to invent a FANG-like acronym for healthcare.
Yes.
And then maybe we'll talk about it more.
We
got to work on that.
How much time do we have?
Not on today's show. Give me the weekend.
Okay. Well, no, we can do it right here because we're going to sit here.
And they've been, to Joe's point about Medtronic, too, unusual activity in June, July, early August in this one, and today it explodes through the 52-week high by like $5 nearly.